Utilizing a unique hybrid polymer system, Decade semi-permanent, stain-resistant, water-based sealer creates a barrier to resist many common floor stains while also prolonging the floor surface's protection. Protects floors from staining from asphalt, rust, urine, coffee, mustard, ketchup, fruit juices, and more. When applied as a base coat, Decade resists normal floor finish stripping, producing prolonged protection and reducing labor time. The resistance to normal stripping makes this ideal when coating asbestos tile floors. Decade also levels uneven surfaces, maximizing the gloss produced by finishes on quarry tile and terrazzo.